Patty Gyal in Ajax. I don't know what I'm doing out here, but I thought our patty quest was over a couple weeks ago, but this one here has cheese. Fuck, he didn't ask me which one I want because on the menu it says cheddar and Swiss. I hope it's cheddar. Swiss is cool, so whatever. It'll be fine. We'll check that out after. And these are, damn, this is really hot. Holy shit. This one's not as hot. Still really hot. These are just regular spicy beef patties. I don't know, I'm pretty sure they're made here. This looks pretty perfect for, you know, one that's made here. Alright, let's bust it open. Damn, my truck is all clean. Smells good, feels good, super duper flaky. Good bit of meat. Let's check it out. There's the meat. Looking very nice. Oh yeah, that taste, the flavor is shit. I don't think they make these, man. They don't make these. These are Mitch Dean. Not bad. Well, actually, fucking awesome. But I thought, I don't know where I read that on Google Maps or something, that I thought they made their own. Even like the ones I seen in the pictures did not look like this. Like they were more, you know, rough around the edge looking type of patties. It was a well-made Mitch Dean. It looked a little smaller, I don't know why. What's the standard score for people that sell Mitch Deans? I'll give it a 9.1, Dennis Rodman. Yeah, it's good. Price is good too. Let's try this one. So I guess they just busted this guy open. This is the cheese. Yeah, that's Mitch Dean. Mitch Deans are the fucking best. But it's just a cheese, a Kraft single slice. I don't know if you guys want to see that. So you're definitely gonna taste that cheese. Yeah, you can see that. And then you got the, I told them to put in some hot sauce. So yeah, cheese, hot sauce, fucking crumbs everywhere. Yeah, let's try it. A Mitch Dean with cheese and hot sauce. I should have got hot peppers down. Oh well. The hot sauce is just some cheap little bottle stuff from the store, like Grace or something. Yeah, the cheese and the hot sauce, not bad. You really taste the hot sauce, so you must have put, never mind. I can see the hot sauce. That is not Grace. Let me bite this piece off so you can see it. See that yellow stuff right there? That's like some type of Scotch bonnet sauce. It tastes like Grace though. Like the Grace habanero. I don't know if that's a Kraft single. because I've done that before. I've put a craft single in a patty, and it was like the cheese taste was too heavy, like it was just overpowering. But this one's pretty good, not too cheesy. You still taste the beef patty taste. Yeah, I think I'll just stick with 9.1 for this place. That's that. What was this? Patty Gyal in Ajax, 9.1. It's good, but you know, they didn't make it themselves, which is what we were looking for. So